All right, this is Prelude number 2, the segundo part. First, we're going to go through and name all the notes. So you hit D and F, then A and F sharp, and the left hand crosses over and plays D and G, and then F sharp and A, and that's the first 8 measures, just like that. Four more times. So the next measure that where it changes is on bar 9, and then you're going to G and B, and then you go to C natural and E, and then C sharp, and you cross over to G, back to E and C natural, and then you go to G and B, and then both hands go up a half step to G sharp and C natural, and A natural and C sharp, and then the left hand jumps up an octave to that A, and then your left hand goes to D, and your right hand goes to F and B, F sharp and B flat, G and A, F sharp and B flat, then D, F and B all together, F sharp and B flat, G and A, F sharp and B flat, and then G and A sharp and D. And then I would play B natural, and then F with the left hand, and then G and A, and then G sharp and D with B flat, B natural, and then A and G with C to C sharp, and then D, D, F, G, A, D, F, G, F, G. And then this is bar 17, and you're back into that first pattern. D and F, A and F sharp, G and D, A and F sharp, and that happens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 measures this time. And so the next measure where it changes is measure 23, where you go to G and B, and then E, and then C sharp and G, back to E and C, and then G and B, G sharp and C, A and C sharp, and up to A. This is just like before. And then again, just like before, it's D with F and B, F sharp and B flat, G and A, F sharp and B flat, D, F and B, F sharp and B flat, G and A, F sharp and B flat, and then you go to G and A, then D and B flat, and then F and B natural, then A natural and G, then G sharp and D with B flat, B natural, and then A and G with C natural to C sharp, and then D, D, F, D, F, G, D, D, F, G, F, A, D. And now we're on page 13, bar 31. You have G, G and D, G, and then B flat, B natural, D, D, E, D, B flat, A, B flat, D, E, G, B natural, A, G, B, D, F, A, G, F sharp, G, G, A, C, E, F sharp, G, E, and then grace notes E flat to F, then to E. So do, D, C, D, E, D, E, F, 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 G, F, E, and then 1, A to B flat, to B natural, then A sharp, A, C sharp, D, D. And then we're on to page 14, which is F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, G, A, G, A, B, D, right hand, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, G, G sharp, G natural. And then for for the end, we go back to the beginning. This pattern. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. 6 times. And then it goes to G and B, E and C, C sharp and G appear, E and C, and G and B, G sharp and C natural, A and C sharp, A, and then D with F and B, F sharp, B flat, G and A, F sharp, B flat, F and B, F sharp, B flat, G and A, F sharp, B flat, and then G and A, B and D, no, B flat and D, and then F and B natural, G and A, and then G sharp and D with B flat, B natural, G and A, or A and G with C, C sharp, and D, F, D, sorry, D, D, F, D, F, G, A, D, F, G, F, G, and then D and F sharp, A, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, A, D, then a whole bar while the other pianist plays, and then you play a C natural and the lowest D on the piano. All right.